This little grooming kit has been absolutely perfect for grooming my corgis. The kit comes with combs, thinning scissors, regular grooming scissors, nail clipper, and a nail file, automatic clippers, and the automatic clippers have several different lengths, and it also has these guiding combs if you want to set longer lengths for hair. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4 guiding combs that are 9 millimeters, 12 millimeters, 6 millimeters, and 3 millimeters. So perfect for all different lengths of hair. I like to use the 3 millimeters on most of my corgis' fur, but around their face and areas where I just need to get closer, I don't use any guiding combs. Then here's the charger, and here's oil to keep the blade sharp and unrusted. And then here is the cleaning brush.